The inspiration for this workshop came from two paintings that I created. The first is here behind me. It's called Earth, I Rise. And it was a painting that was created to manifest and call in my future. This was at the time when I was really ready to launch this new business. I had been on my own personal soul quest. I had uncovered the passion, the spark within, and I was ready to step into this new role. So I created this painting inspired by the earth and the metaphor of the earth. In the course of creating this first painting, which evolved over a few weeks, I had a series of dreams that all featured my mother. And in one of the dreams, my mother was given 4 baby bald eagles to take care of. So then 6 months later, I revisited this earth painting process. I decided to paint on a Sunday, to start this painting on a Sunday. The week before that, I had a dream that again featured my mother. And then the day before I was gonna start painting, I was driving home and flying overhead, crossing right in my path above my car, was a full-grown bald eagle. What you're seeing here is the first few layers of the second earth painting. And what I'm writing at the bottom of the canvas are all the things that I am releasing. All of the beliefs, the ideas that I need to release, to let go, to lay to rest in order to step into this new version of myself. And what you're seeing at the top of the canvas here are the things that I'm calling in, what I'm stepping into. So the things that we lay to rest act as nourishment for our new growth. In the Soul Path Art Earth workshop, you're gonna have the opportunity to really identify those aspects of yourself that are holding you back so that you can lay them to rest. And also to connect to what your soul is calling for you to do, where it is asking you to grow. And then create this beautiful piece of intentional art that will represent that transformation that you are stepping into.